Let's take my tips from this to this with my interlocking tool. So, hi guys, this is Megan, and today we are going to close off this tip. This tip has gotten into some trouble in a car door. Many of them have, or just me sitting on them because they're that long. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use this interlocking tool. I call this the Alicorn Interlocking Tool, okay? And it will be linked below. And I'll show you guys how I close off my tips. Because listen, they've been getting in trouble lately. You got to take care of your hair. Don't let them get caught up. Anyway, when this happens, I tend to like to close them off because I think it makes my locks look a lot cleaner. So if you're interested, let's get started. With the tool, this is the straight tool that comes in the set, and you want to find an area that is sort of loose. This happens when there's tension caused from your hair getting, stuck in situations, pulling, anything that has happened. You'll have an area that is wider and looser from the pulling, and that's a perfect spot to bring your tool in. You're going to bring your tip through the tool, and you're going to pull that through. Try to be gentle as you can, but still firm grip here as you're pulling that all the way through, and give it a finger roll to kind of clean that area up, and you'll see it feels a lot more firm and pulled together. Basically what we're doing is restoring the strength and integrity of the lock at the bottom. Now some may say, well, why do we even need to do that? Why not just let it hang? Well, if you've ever done this to your hair where you've ripped off the closed tip, it tends to cause you to have hair constantly coming out of that area. All of a sudden, you're looking around on the bathroom floor and you got hair on the floor, and you shouldn't have hair on the floor. Not with locks, you shouldn't. So I like to close these tips off to reduce shedding that happens with these kinds of open tips. And I have used this method the entire time that I've interlocked my hair. Anytime I've gotten myself, as it grows, it gets into seatbelt trouble, back of the chair trouble, etc. Hairstyle trouble, rubber bands. So then what we want to do when we get a little closer to the tip is we're going to just bring it all the way down until we are pretty close to the end. And then we're going to stay concentrated in that area a little bit and get ready to gather it downwards. So here, this time, instead of bringing the tip all the way through, I'm going to show you how you create a stopping point so we get a loop at the end of the tip. You're going to put it in the tool, but you're not going to pull it completely through. You're going to create a tiny little loop at the tip there, right? Get it as small as you can and hold on to it as you pull the hair through. And that's going to end up being your closed tip. From here, you're going to take the rest of that hair and you're going to start interweaving that into the lock. That's also going to restore the integrity of that area that we've just been closing up, and it's going to put even more hair back there, which is good to keep nice and clean locks at a tip. It's important to finger roll this as you're completing it so it gets nice and tight for you, because this is going to help keep the hair there, and so it won't unravel on you or anything like that. You see how you can see me wiggling my hand back and forth. You don't want to go straight through. You want to weave through the natural hair there, right? You really want to come in and out of the lock with the tool, weaving it through there. And that way, when you're pulling the hair through, it's woven in or interlocked in and not just straight in a line. because if you do it straight in the line, it can slip out. And you guys, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. Also, if you're finding any value in this video, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Love to have you guys here as I try to bring more locking videos in. Definitely check out the Alicorn Interlocking Tool Set, which again I will have linked below. And this is again a handmade interlocking set that, hey, I just finally figured out how to bring it to you guys. I'm so excited for anyone who likes interlocking or wants to try it to come check out this beautiful tool. Now, as you finish off, you want to try to gather the hair as much as you can and get it all the way in. You don't want to, and your fingers may get a little tired sometimes, but you don't want to stop because it's going to just leave this fuzz ball at that weird area. Give it a wonderful finger roll and a palm roll. And really make sure you got that firmness and roundness, and you'll feel what I'm talking about. And it just makes it so much cleaner. And there we go. There you go, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.